we need to understand the culture in which we're playing, which is a capitalistic society that's looking out for themselves. And the only thing that matters to a lot of the companies that I've ever worked for was the bottom line. So we have to toggle our love for God, our faith, wanting to do good, wanting to uplift the community, but also saying it's okay to make money. I need everybody to say it's okay to make some money. It's okay to make money. Like, we got to get out of it. Like, listen, everybody in this room, whether you have a nonprofit, you're starting your business, whatever you're doing, we got to make money. And when we do, what are we doing with it? And how are we going about doing that? So I want to say that I launched this firm. I've been in the business for a long time, the media business. My literal job was to take people's money, Coca-Cola, Verizon, whatever they want to do, allow them to buy advertising space on all of the networks that I bought on to reach oftentimes the people that are in this room, because y'all got a lot of money, you drive culture, you're building content. So this is a really valuable audience. And I realized, why am I generating $1 billion for them when I could be doing it for myself, hire people who look like me, and build a business that looks like me for my community, right? So that's exactly what I'm doing. So I decided to represent creators in the marketplace that I know can go on CBS, ABC, NBC, or other places. Let's get them distribution so clients now can pay us, is the bottom line. The other piece of my business is I decided to be in the tech space, so I invested in a small ad tech company that generates about 1 billion impressions a month. That means eyeballs. That means opportunities for clients to give money, for them to have a conversation with back-end publishers so that publishers can also get paid. So I decided to get smart. The reason I'm telling you that is because when we sat here and listened to Emil, he said something really interesting. He said he saw a community that wasn't served. He had all the experience in the world. He aligned those things, and now he's making money for himself and doing good and telling a good story. Every single person in this room, if they just sit down and pay attention as you're sitting at your desk or trying to build businesses, we all been given some gift. I just decided to walk in mine because I believed I was worthy, and I believe my community was. And so with all the information you're getting over the next, yesterday and today, how are you going to take the time to see how you reside in the space, your own personal space, your unique value proposition? What can you create? And who is your customer? And then how do you talk to them? Really, that's what this is about, right? Because we know you're going to move conscientiously. We know you have moral fibers. We were born and built like that. But how do you make money and then grow the kingdom, your kingdom? I think that's what the conversation is, at least for me today.